Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix App Store media and purchases. So let's start the video. As soon as you try to download something from the App Store, it will immediately ask you for your Apple ID and password. As I have tried to show you here, tap cancel and go back to home screen. Now open the settings on your iPhone and tap on your iCloud sign. Now as you see the media and purchases sign here, all you have to do is tap on it once and then continue, like I'm going to show you here. Now it will take some wait for few seconds. All done, that's it. Hope this video helpful for you. If the video helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.